Hello friends, here we comes to program or burn the Atmega16 IC, which is this one, and there is the buffer IC, which is the 74SC244, and there is a LCD which we interface with the microcontroller. There is a power supply which is used by the USB, which we use the USB, and there is the MAX232 and the serial port connector. So here we come to program which we use the code vision software to burn 8 mega series on this. Again, open, you wait, wallpaper is so good. Yeah, and the code vision software AVR is open, in which we write a code for the 8Mega16 to write. Here you see that there is some defined characters, and above there is a header file which is the hash includes 8Mega16, and the hash includes delays.h. The delay.h header file which is used to provide the delay, and there is in the below there is some defined characters with the RS with the reset button of the port A, which is used by the LCD, and there is the EN port and the port A. The LCD port is the data port. The LCD is used with the port B, and the LED which is used here is the LED which we connect with the port C.0. Okay. Now there is a list of program which is large. We use the different function, the LCD initialization, LCD command, and the display. There is a code which is generated by the code vision software which we not write, and there is we initialize the LCD here, and in the below there is a codes which initialize the LCD. Now there is some codes. There is 5 different codes. There are 038, 0E, 01, 06, and 08. And there is a loop which we use the loop for providing the display, and there is another loop which make the interface with the LCD. Now this we display Jitin Mishra, which is my name, and the LCD display. Now we burn the microcontroller. Before we put the power supply here. Now we're putting the power supply. Okay, now the power supply is gone. Let's start. Now we burn. Here we go for first in the project and build all to create the hex file and the ROM files. Here it is okay. Now we are going to tool and chip programming. Now there is the window is arrived. Now first we program the fuse bit, then read and the fuse bit. Get the fuse bit detail of the microcontroller. You see that. That is going. Now all this begin the program. Build the load slash with the exe ROM, and then is hex file which is used is born, and then we click the program. Now the process will start erasing, then programming the EEPROM. Program is successful. Now we see the output at LCD. Here it display the Jitin Mishra and the LCD. Here we reset the button. The reset button for the controller. Now we click and redisplay the character which is shown by the LCD. Again, here we clicking, and then we see that. program is successful and display. There is another program which blinked the LED after 1 second duration. Here is showing, and the program is successful.